Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat Trader here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. How would you like to get half-priced mentoring, world-class mentoring for half price, and we'll pay for your airfare to come to Las Vegas to take it? Well, details here at the end of this video. Let's talk about a trade that we had in the Grok trading room this morning on Netflix. Now, Netflix, you look at these pricing, it's in the 100, low 100s. A split 7-for-1, so they were at 100 just a few days ago. But they had earnings, and here they are at opening, and boom, it was going back and forth, and now it's forming what we call an ascending triangle. Want to know more about an ascending triangle? We can go to our site, Free Online Trading Education, and right here under Chart School, which is free, you go there, and down we have trading patterns down here. This is a bullish pattern called an ascending triangle. The very first one listed, you punch on that and we go to it. And here's a picture of it hitting its head on a line of resistance, but it keeps getting tighter and tighter like a coiled spring. Here's a written description of it. In fact, you can even push this button here and print it off to study it later in either PDF form or just printer. And then here's a couple of examples of live examples of where it has been on charts before. Well, let's take a look at another example here on Netflix. And Netflix was here and an ascending triangle. So I set a trade just above this area here and said if it breaks that, I want it to be long. Let's see what happened next. And boom, there we go. And I'm now long on Netflix at 109.75. That's right, 109.75 long on Netflix. Let's set a stop just down below this area here, the 20 moving average. And let's get going here. Boom, 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 boom. Look at this sucker. It's taking off like a rocket here. And boom, 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 boom. Look up here. Now, so it did a bull pullback. Now it's doing another high base. Look at all these formations that are happening. I just keep managing my stop under this 20 moving average. Keep moving it, moving it up, moving it up, moving it up. And now we'll keep going, 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 going. This is wonderful. Now up above 11.50. And we're up here now doing another bull pullback here, bringing my stop up to here, and it pulls back a little bit, and then boom, 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 another bull pullback, and it just keeps on going. I got to do this so we can keep it all in one trade, in one window here. It comes up here and doing another pullback here, and it's kind of resting up here. For now, it's just basing here for a while. So I went ahead and I took out half here at 112.50. for 2.5% on the first half. As it was resting here, wasn't sure if it's going to continue up or if it was going to do a reversal here. So I took out my half and set my stop then for the second half here right about the 112 area, and boom, bam, boom, there we go. Taking off again. Look at this. It keeps on going higher and higher and higher, and it's going higher here and hits the 114 area. Wow. Bringing my stop up here. And it's sitting here around the 8 EMA. Is it going to do another bull pullback or not? Pulling my stop up here. And yeah, there it goes. It's just kind of stalling. What do you do? So I'm bringing my stop up here now to the 1350 area. And it's still going. Now, this line that's here right now, as I'm recording this here at 1242, it is, this is the current price of it. But so that's what that red line is, and it's moving, and it's an active chart here. So I'm going to pull my stop up here all the way to 1370, and bam! Look at that, just dropped down and hit me here, and I stopped out at 113.70 for 3.5% on the second half. So let's pull this up and take a look at this whole trade, and then look at that, it did pull back pretty hard. But look at this run. So we had a ascending triangle here. It broke out. I had no idea it was going to continue up like this. I just kept managing my stop. It did a bull pullback. It was high base for a while. Did another bull pullback, and then it was high basing here for a long time. So I took out half, and it came up here, and when it dropped below this 20 moving average, it stopped me out. And for this total trade was for 3.0% in 1 hour and 11 minutes. Hooah! Best trade of the day. This is Mark the Meerkat Trader. Now, if you would like to do our 301 mentoring, the world-class mentoring for half price, and have us pay for your airfare to come to Vegas to take the training, that's going to be on July 25, 26, and 27. That's a Saturday, Sunday, Monday. go to groktrade.com and you get to this page. Here it is. First of all, we'll pay for your airfare. You give us your ticket receipt when you get there, and we'll pay for it up to $500. That's right, with a paid tuition, we'll do that. And you can bring a friend, could be a spouse, could be a trading buddy, for free. That's right. A couple of conditions on that. They just have to go through the 101, which is a free course, and the 201s before they get there, which is deeply discounted. I think we paid $201 for that course. And they get to attend the 301 for free. So basically it's half price for two of you, and we pay for your airfare to come out. Can it get any better than that for world-class mentoring? So if you'd like more information on that, put the more information button, and it'll take you to our 301 mentoring page, and it'll talk about here's what's available to you in that course. And this is just the 3-day beginning of our mentoring for you, which is mentoring for life. And if you want some information, more information is written here, and here's some testimonials from people that is unedited so that you can find out what they really said. And if you are interested, then you're going to need to just fill this out and do it today, because we're getting ready to cut off the enrollment soon here. And fill that out, hit submit, and Carolina will give you a call to give you an interview, not a sales pitch, to see if it's appropriate for you to be in our mentoring class, to see if it could be of a real benefit to your trading. This is Mark the Meerkat Trader. Hey, just remember, as Tony Turner said, the day that she began to trade with composure as her only emotion was the day she became a winning trader, period. Trade well.